Okay guys, let's see what is the most powerful and featureful app in Play Store in music category. This is mainly focused on offline music files available on your internal storage. I have lot of collection and offline flac music files, and I really love the headphone jack quality of my player, so I decided to go with Musicolet. And that to install, I give the link in description and install. This is the thing I want to tell about you. This is very minimal file size, 5.2 MB size. Most of the app have the 15 MB or 25 MB that have the old head and other data collection of your usage. So I really appreciate to install the Musicolet. Yes, this is the main feature. Musicolet is a small and yet rich full offline music player. This is not only for the web, the real usage of the player. No trackers, no ads, no data collection of your usage. This is very cool. I really love the developers, and every single function is useful to you. Yes, let me allow the media files permissions. This will allow your Musicolet separate file access, and you can add separate folders. And I tap the internal storage and I give the permission only for my music. This will only scan your music folder, not only other folders. This only scan your offline music files. I love customization, and this app have the customization option. I love the color selection and system intelligent dark mode, and we can select the separate dark theme or black emerald or dark theme. I really love this feature. I always stay in dark mode and tap the black emerald. This looks gorgeous. Thank for the developers, cool guys. And let me see what are the color option available. This is the color palette of the Musicolet, and my personal color is the orange one. I tap the orange, I settle on that. See guys, what is the other color features available. This is system wide of the Musicolet, and tap on that. Yes, all things are settled down. Let me see how to set up the initial setup. Tap on no thanks, and we can move again. We want to scan manually. Tap on that three dot and scan. This will again rescan your music library. Anything missing in the music library, this will automatically add the songs in your system. I have the 141 songs in my collection. I really had the tab bar position in the bottom, so we can arrange the bar position to the top. These are the main settings of the Musicolet interface. Tap on the interface. We can customize every individual interface separately. This is very lovely thing of the music player. The theme option already settled down, so we want to move on that tab bar position. We want to tap bottom to top, so every UI element of the navigation bar system always going to onwards to the top. After we want to settle down things, now UI is very clean and minimal look. This is very clean look for the separate customization of the now playing and the all playlist of the bottom section of the tab bar position. Every individual section we want to customize. If you want to customize, you can customize, otherwise you can leave default. I leave the default settings. These are the lovely huge customization settings on the 5.2 MB file size music player. Music application available in Play Store, so really hats off to the developers. And such a less file size, we have the all customization of the separate individual category of the music. Cool features guys. Next we want to focus on audio category and decoder. Select the decoder and give the permission to the system decoder, and equalizer, give the permission to the system equalizer, and this will apply the all system wide settings. Why I am saying this? Android has huge smartphone collection of the device preference, so every individual smartphone manufacturer company have the individual separate encoder system for the audio format, so we can use the separate individual audio format that will give the better results for the audio driver for your device. So we can must use the system decode of your system. This will provide at the same time, if you have the Dolby Atmos system, this will support the Dolby Atmos system at the same time. If you have other music functionality, you want to really set the fade option, so I will decide to 250 and 1000. This is very useful features while you pause the song. and 500 is enough for me. Yes, next we want to settle the notification style. I prefer the stock notification style without the Musicolet style. I prefer the stock notification style. Settle down guys, tap on back again. Go to the system music UI main frame. Everything will be settled down. Now close the app and close everything else. We want to launch again. Yes, this will fresh start up for our music file. Yes, now we can select our album and we can customize the album art size. I prefer the bigger one. You can see the what is the visual difference of the bigger one and the smaller one, and tap the settings icon, tap and bigger. This will provide the huge and simple look view of your music library. This app have the huge features